Okay, good people of my channel. I would like to welcome you back again to my channel. Like you always know, my name is Chukuma Amobi, and I'm a digital marketing copywriter with over 4 years of experience. And today in this video, I will be talking about the 5 profitable digital marketing skills you can learn in Nigeria from 2025. Are you excited? Because I am very much excited to show you these five profitable skills that you can learn in 2025 and beyond in Nigeria. Before I get into telling you all the 5 profitable digital skills you can learn, I feel obliged to mention this, that you can't fold your hands and not be involved in the digital things that is happening all over the world right now. Like, getting a digital skill is so good that you can be wherever you are and you can still work for foreign clients and you can make a lot of money for yourself. Trust me, that's exactly what I'm doing. Okay, I'm recently growing my channel, so I'm making these videos and I'm learning a lot from making videos. And I can actually tell you that you can learn a lot from actually doing stuff, right, than by reading them or by watching videos to learn how to do stuff. You can actually learn a lot by doing stuff. So I am very happy today to be able to show you the 5 profitable skills you can learn in Nigeria in 2025 and beyond, so that you can make your life better. So without wasting further time, I'm going to jump right in and I'm going to show you these five profitable skills. All right. 5 profitable digital marketing skills you can learn. Skill number 1 is the almighty copywriting. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I called it the almighty. Well, it's not an almighty, but for sure, copywriting is really, really important if you want to get learning a digital skill, or if you want to learn a digital skill that you can use to further make your business better online. Like copywriting, you cannot run away from it. It's a must that you must get into copywriting. And there are a ton of ways you can learn copywriting. One of the first ways is by watching YouTube channels. Another way is by getting mentorship. The best way you can learn copywriting, I highly recommend it. Find a good copywriter who knows what they are doing, follow them, and you can learn. Okay. So there is a ton of ways you can learn copywriting. It's a skill that you can get for yourself, and trust me, you can be able to offer these skills to not only Nigerians, but to foreign clients and make a lot of money for yourself. I started as a copywriter. I am still a copywriter. And today I am making lots of money. Like, the value of copywriting when it comes to digital skills, when it comes to everything digital, cannot be overemphasized. Like, it is very, very important. Whether you're doing SEO, whether you're doing email, whether you're doing marketing, anything you are doing is really important that you get a copywriting skill to help you move along. Now, the second profitable digital marketing skill you can get for yourself by 2025 is, drum roll please. Right. The second skill you can get is media buying. Now, when I mention this skill, some people often ask me, hey, what is media buying? Now, in a nutshell, in a layman's language, media buying is like learning how to run ads on social media and on Google. That is simply what media buying is. Learn how to run paid ads across all social media platforms. Even if not all social media platforms, just learn how to run ads on Facebook, Instagram, maybe learn WhatsApp, and then you learn Google. You are good to go, right? You are good to go. A lot of people are making lots of money by having these digital skills and doing this stuff for themselves or for clients that they find online. So a profitable skill that you can learn in 2025 and beyond in Nigeria as a Nigerian to help yourself move from where you are to where you want to be is to learn media buying. Get a skill today and you will be glad that you did. Now, the third skill, three. The third skill that you can learn, as a Nigerian in Nigeria to make your life better is social media marketing. Now, social media marketing in the greater part of the last few years, 7, 8, 9 years ago, is not that big, but today social media marketing is so big that a lot of companies are looking for people who can manage their social media handles on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on LinkedIn. Like, talk about managing this social media. So if you learn and if you get a skill on how to manage social media platforms for yourself or for different companies, I bet you will have a lot of people coming to you to to get you to manage their own social media platforms, and you get paid a lot of money to do this type of stuff. And if you learn it well and if you know what you are doing, I guarantee you will have a lot of people that is always coming to you to manage their own social media platforms. So all you have to do is to get this profitable digital marketing skill for yourself, guys. Get this skill for yourself today, and you will be glad you did. Now, the fourth skill you can learn for yourself is learning how to build landing pages and websites. I think I've talked about this particular skill in my other videos, and you can just go through my channel and see if you can find that video. I'm sure you can find that video. You are smart. You are smart. So you can find this video and you can learn how to build landing pages and websites using free tools. I've talked about this so many times. So it's another type of skill that you can get for yourself. And if you get this skill, you will be glad you did. Like, if you learn how to build landing pages, just add a little spice to it by learning how to get a domain name, setting up that domain name. If you get these little skills and you apply it out there, people are going to find you and you're going to get lots of job for yourself, if not for Nigerians but for foreign clients. I guarantee you, I've been there, I've done that. You can do it too. You are smart, you can do it. I know that you can. So get a digital skill for yourself today, and you'll be glad you did. Now, the fifth skill and the final skill I'm going to be revealing for you today as the profitable digital marketing skills you can get for yourself is learning SEO. Now, SEO is short for search engine optimization. Now, you can learn how to optimize your pages across all social media platforms. You can learn how to optimize websites. You can learn how to optimize landing pages. There are different tactics to this. Digital marketing is so vast that I will advise you to start with one. Start with one skill, and then you can learn the next one, and you can learn the next one, and you can learn the next one. Like, you can never be a master of all of them. You have to be a specialist in one. Like me, I started with copywriting and I still do copywriting. I'm more of a specialist in copywriting, in as much as I've learned how to build landing pages and websites. I've learned how to run ads for myself. I've learned a lot of maybe one or two SEO things, but I always bring it down and focus on my copywriting because that's where I started. That's where my super specific skill lies in. So I can't just throw it away because it's really important to me. So get one skill and learn it very well, be a specialist in that, and you can move on to the next one and to the next one and to the next one. So SEO, the fifth digital skill you can get, is so good. If you get SEO, that's when you understand how Google does their ranking in everything that they do, how Google rank videos on YouTube, how Google rank websites on search, how Google does a lot of things, but not just Google, but on Facebook and across every other social media platform. Send me a message, leave a comment. If you have anything to say, leave a comment. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.